Hey guys, it's Cali Financial here. We're going to do a quick little unboxing video for the Nano Ledger X. Or is it the Ledger Nano X? I never seem to get that right. Ledger Nano X, here we go. I really like this packaging. It's kind of Apple-esque. It's very tight. I like the white. It has a very, almost kind of a 1990s video game box feel to it. Let's get this open. They are doing promos all over the internet right now. You can find a promotional code for this and get this for as cheap as $100 right now. They were doing a back to school special. I paid about $100. And if you're going to have more than $1,000 in crypto, you should definitely invest in one of these because the safety is unmatched. If you leave anything on your phone, you can get hacked easily. This is bar none the best opportunity you have to protect your cryptocurrency. Yeah, I love this packaging. Very nice. We'll slide this off. Exposes their logo, Ledger. It seems kind of like a cell phone box. And here's the Ledger. I love the aesthetic on this. The form factor's absolutely beautiful. Fits in your pocket. I bring it to work with me, and it's actually quite nice. And this swings open. Like this. And then you operate it with those two buttons there. And it does say made in France. I don't know why, but that really tickled me. I like that this is made in France. Highly recommended, guys. Highly, highly recommended if you're going to have crypto. Let's see what else it came with. I know they usually come with a sticker, these type of things, but I think it also has, the recovery sheet. You'll write your 13-digit code or 24-digit code on there, and you'll save those. And if that way, if the ledger ever gets damaged, you can use that code to bring up your account on another ledger. So those are paramount safety. And you get a USB-C to USB. And that's it. That's the ledger. Here it is turned on. Let me know what you guys think. If you're going to get one, check it out for sure.